If you think about how you might dissolve metal atom by atom, if you simulate that, you're dissolving it voxel by voxel. Voxel is a 3D pixel. In our case, what we're doing is trying to take a shape tool that's roughly the inverse of the part we're making and locate that very close to the workpiece. And in between that small gap, which might be less than the width of a human hair, we're flushing a saltwater solution and applying a voltage potential. You start dissolving metal atom by atom. With each amp of current that you apply to the process, you're dissolving X grams of material, and you can create some pretty impressive results with this technology. Part of what we're doing is trying to control the intellectual property that we develop here. And by us controlling all the core elements of the technology, we can actually deliver on better quality parts, higher throughput, lower part costs. All these things are really what our customers are asking for. Our job as Voxel is to be a faithful representative of what the technology can do and what it can't do. We can actually deliver on those promises.